Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to take a closer look at the electric screwdriver by Fanttik. They've got a couple on their website. This one is the NEX E1 Max and it's all housed in this really nice sleek metal casing here. Let's have a look at the bottom. So it just says NEX E1 Max and it's got the voltage and the size of the battery, and then an email address for you to contact them if you have any issues. Other than this, it came with a charging cable and bits of paperwork, and that's it. But yeah, taking a closer look here, if you want to open this up, all you have to do is just press here. It pops open just like that, and then you've got the screwdriver. Now here's what the screwdriver looks like. It's all round and it's nice and slim, designed for you to work in really tight spaces like, you know, a cabinet or a PC, for example. Charging port is at the bottom, so when you plug it in, it is exposed even if you have it in the casing, and you get a red light there which will turn green once it's done charging. Really nice design. And then you need to got a little turning bit at the bottom where you can lock it. You can have low torque or you can have high torque. Let's put it on high for now. You can go ahead. This is a screw, this is to unscrew. You can see there's a nice LED light at the top, so again, if you're working in a dark area, you can easily see while you're working. It's not too bright, but it's just enough so you're able to see the screw and what you're working with, really. I'm not sure if I mentioned, but it is really lightweight as well, so really nice and easy to work with without straining your wrist. Let's put that down for a second. This comes out, you've got all your different bits and pieces here. All of this is magnetic, so you just take one out and you put it in just like so. There are a couple of extra tools here. So there's a scraping tool here it comes with, really solid metal, really strong, and one other bit there as well. And then here I realized that this area in there is magnetic, so you can keep your screws there, one or two screws in there while you're working, finishing your job, and it's easier to find. So that's how it looks from the bottom. All your bits are there, and then when you're done, you simply just put it back in. You have to push this one in first. Make sure, obviously, this is locked, and then it goes in head first, and you push it in like that. And as I said, the port is exposed, so whilst in the casing, you can also charge it. It's been really useful for me. Nice bit of kit to have around the house, actually. It's small, easy to store away, and you just know anytime you need to do anything with intricate little screws, you just know where your tool is going to be. I actually used it the other day. I haven't used this tripod for quite a while because the legs became loose, and I realized, you know what, why don't I try and tighten it a little bit? And I found the suitable screw head for it in there. You can use it for unscrewing screws from your laptop or smartwatch. I did my smartwatch as well. Keyboards, mice, controllers, PlayStation, anything, you know, with little tiny intricate screws. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section and I will leave a link to this if you're interested. Hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.